For thousands of years, the Amazon has acted as the largest tropical rainforest in the world, covering more than 5.5 million kilometers, and has become the lungs of the world by contributing around 20% of oxygen to the Earth. The thickness of the branches and leaves of the trees makes the Amazon have a surface very dark soil, because only less than 1% of light can penetrate the layer of trees. Because of the thickness of the trees, it takes about 10 minutes for rainwater to reach the ground surface in the Amazon forest. The Amazon is located in South America, which consists of around 40% of the total area of Brazil, which is bounded by the Guianese highlands in the north, the Andes Mountains in the west, the Central Highlands of Brazil in the south, and the Atlantic Ocean in the east. This forest stretches across 9 countries, namely Brazil, Bolivia, Peru, Ecuador, Colombia, Venezuela, Guyana, Suriname and French Guiana. Therefore, if this forest were a country, it would be the 14th largest in the world, larger than Mexico, and slightly smaller compared to Saudi Arabia. The Amazon is also one of the most extensive tropical forests in the world, and has 2 other names, namely, the lungs of the world, because it produces 30% of all oxygen on Earth, and green hell because every year the river overflows. The dense forest makes everything look the same, and finally because of the many attacks from wild insects, most of which have not been named. 30% of all animals and half of all plant species are in this forest. Some types of animals in this forest are jaguars, tapirs, anacondas, boas, butterflies, blue morpho butterfly, harpy eagle, sloth, caneman, wild boar, fish, and many more. Meanwhile, various types of plants here are kapok trees, elephant ear trees, giant lotus, orchids, jarda, sapodilla, banana trees, and others.